Hey, Lance here. Just wanted to give you some quick tips on how to find an accountant, whether this is your small business or for something one time or an ongoing type of service here. So this is a great article, um, and I just thought I'd highlight some of the points here because I thought they did a great job of talking about why hire an accountant, how to find that accountant, interviewing, and things like that. But first, let's just start with why you would hire an accountant. Um, Biggest thing is they can save you probably time, but the second one is to make sure everything's done correctly. Um, Oftentimes, you can be in a tax or accounting situation. Maybe you're 80% sure, 95% certain that something's being done the right way, but you're maybe not 100%. So you have a couple options. You can either spend the time to become 100% certain. That could take anywhere from a couple minutes to a few hours, a few days. It just depends. Or you could just hope for the best, hope everything's right, and just go on your way. So that's, I'd say, a couple situations that you're probably familiar with already. So just like they say here, really an accountant, they can act as a trusted advisor. So can become someone that you trust in your business or with your finances. They can help you manage things like cash flow, help you plan for growth, assess risk, and generally keep your books in order. And this goes back to what I was saying earlier, where you could be doing your own books and maybe you miss a few things or leave something out. They're really good about keeping that all straight for you. So they can also help balance both your business and your personal needs. So if you're looking for a good CPA or an accountant, they really can help you make sound judgments that will be beneficial to both your business and to you personally. So next question, how do you find a CPA or how do you find an accountant? Like they say, referrals are a great way, but sometimes, I don't say often, sometimes they're not always the best. Just like with a realtor, referrals can be a great way, often probably one of the better ways, but occasionally you get someone who's still not maybe the best choice. So, but this is a great place to start at least. So ask other business owners for referrals, um, or maybe even the Chamber of Commerce, and then you can actually. The next step is, how do you interview these folks? How do you determine if this CPA or this accountant is who you're looking for? So these are a couple great questions you can ask them. What's your experience with small businesses? This will give you an idea of whether they're just starting out or whether they've been doing this for a while, and that's important to know. What their level of comfort and experience is. And then also, what experience do you have with my industry? This is particularly important because accounting can differ a little bit industry to industry. If you're in the industry of, let's say, you're a realtor or you're an entrepreneur, let's say internet marketing, that's going to have some maybe nuances to it that might be different than, say, if you're a pastor, you're in a ministry, you're involved in a nonprofit, versus, let's say, it's just your own personal taxes. Maybe you have a business on the side. Maybe you have a couple businesses. Maybe you have investments. And so knowing their comfort and experience in those areas is important. It makes a ton of sense to ask them about that. Asking them, of course, do you do more than tax preparation? This is good to know if they can help you beyond just filing your taxes. Some can, some can't. So it's good to know. And then asking them, who will I be working with? So to know if they'll be the go-to person. Sometimes you're working with an individual. Sometimes you're working with a firm where there's a specific person that you might be talking to and working with. And sometimes, if someone's more established, they may have assistants, and you work through their assistants a lot. Where it's kind of a secretary slash assistant. So that's good to know as well. Anyway, this is a great place to get you started, some great points. You can certainly check out this article to read it in more depth if you like. It's a recent article, But otherwise, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.